Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best approach to profit first allocations in Lendio. Now, the best approach to profit first allocations is to change how revenue is viewed before it's ever spent. Now, instead of treating profit as whatever remains after expenses, Lendio encourages businesses to recognize profit as a priority from the very start. By intentionally allocating revenue towards profits, taxes, and owner pay first, spending naturally adjusts to what is actually affordable. This approach creates discipline without requiring constant oversight. Expenses are forced to stay within realistic limits, which reduces waste and improves long-term sustainability. Over time, profit-first allocations leads to healthier margins, more predictable cash flows, and of course, greater financial confidence. Rather than limiting growth, this method actually ensures growth happens on a stable foundation. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.